Good morning. In this video we will be designing or we will be creating the assembly model of a drill jig, that is leaf type drill jig. So the component is a rectangular component in which we have to make 4 holes. So let us make the component first. So the rectangular component, which is having a thickness of 40 mm. So we will start first drawing making the model of the component. Then we will step by step we will develop the all the remaining parts, and all the 12 different items are given in the list here. Assembly view is not given, but we will understand how to assemble it. Let us start. So the component length is 290, 140, 40 thick. So insert a new component, then say select our top plane, right click, create sketch. So draw a rectangle. Okay, so in this particular exercise we will be doing in this way. Create a point at the middle one here, another one at the middle of this, then we will make this. Okay, then we will give this dimension. This is 290 and this is 140. Okay, I think we will draw the holes also. Let us draw the holes. So making equal all the holes with equal diameter. Then just define the dimensions 45 and 200. So this is 45, 200. So let me make this horizontal, this vertical, again this horizontal, this vertical. $31.80. So dimension, this is 30. So 80, sorry, this is 80. Now one more thing, that is diameter of the hole. 4 holes, dia 20. Okay, finish sketch. Now we will extrude. So this height is 40. So this is our component. Now next we have to decide. Now next we will be making the base plate where the component can be located. Okay, so this is our base plate or jig body. So let us start this. So I think it is better to choose the top view as our reference. So the total length is 510 and the width is 250, including these two projections. So we can select 200. So total length is, okay, let us say this is 510, subtract 25. So 510 minus 25. So we will draw this. So new component, this rename as jig body. Jig body. Then once again, here we are not switching on the origin. We have got the all the information how to select the particular plane. So go here, create a sketch. So let us draw a rectangle. Simply draw a rectangle, and this dimension, this here length is 510 minus 25, that is 485. This length is 200. 50 we will add later. This is 200. I think we will right away make the other these kind of what to say, clamping provision also. 25, 25, 40. So let us draw that also. So draw a rectangle. Okay, draw both and make collinear. So let us trim. Sorry. So we'll trim the opposite way. Okay, then we will give equal. Then this is 25 and this is 40. Now we have to locate some dimension from edge of this hole. So that is the next step. So we have to find any hole which is having a given dimension. If it is not given, we have to find out. So let me check it out. So okay, we can see one thing. So this is from the center of this particular object. This is 100 away. And here it is given. So 227 towards the center. Okay. So I think we will find out this dimension, 163, 30, 60. Okay. So let us make here also. So let us draw another one more rectangle here, then trim it, and let us give the dimensions. This is 40 and this is 25. 25. Then just make some points, that is 60, 30, 163. Okay, so just to create few points. So here, now give the dimension from here to here, it is 60. Okay, forget about the 30. Now we will give 163 plus 30. So towards the middle of this, so create one more point. One 163 plus 30. Okay, this dimension we will use later. Then okay, now we have got this point. From here we can define another, these 4 holes. So let us do in this way. Let us project these holes, press P. So these 4 holes will be the same at the same location. So project 1, 2, 3, sorry, once again, let us project one by one, not face, only the circular edge we have to project. Then okay, we got this. Now we can define the dimensions. So (100). From the middle of this we will give the dimension as 100. So from here to this particular edge will give the dimension 100. Now one more dimension we have to find out. So let us imagine, I think this is located at the center, so we will give 40 from the origin, so that, so from here to this center, okay, it is already aligned. So now we have to give symmetry, that's all. So just to draw a line, then convert this line to, okay, otherwise we will give the distance. So the total distance is not given, so let us give that one. So that is 200, it was given earlier. And from here to, okay, let's say 100. Okay, this also we have to ensure that. Okay, let us give equal. So let us give this both equal. It's not working. Okay, let me once again, let us try this equal. This, both the lines are equal. It's not working. Okay, so what we will do, okay, create one more point, create a point, now let's say, okay, so this, now we will extrude this. Okay, so many holes are there. If we need, we can make these holes also. 150 by 78, 150. Okay, from the center we will make the other holes also. Let us make those holes. Okay, 1, 2. Let us make all the 4 holes, then make it equal. Then okay, let's say horizontal here, vertical, this is horizontal, then this is vertical. Now so we will draw once again another one more line, center line. Select the line and press X. So actually I want to let me off this component here. It's X. Okay, now let me make symmetry constraint symmetry. So this center point and this center point, symmetry about this. Once again this center point and this center point, symmetry about this. Now let us give the dimensions. So this is 150, 150, and what about this 78, 78. So from here to this is 78. Okay, I think only one dimension is required. Automatically it will maintain the other dimension. Now what is the diameter? Die 16 H7, 6 numbers. So this is 16. Now another 2 more holes is there. So here from this center it is 53, 35, 35. So let's say equal. Then we will give symmetry also. Symmetry, this. Okay. Now from this hole it is 53. This is 53. Only one dimension is required. So let's say this is 35. So let us make this another 2 more holes, 4 more holes, that is dia 20 H7, these 4 holes. Okay, let us draw somewhere else. So let us make equal. So here spot face is there, that we will do later. Diameter 20, so first we will give the diameter 20. Okay, then horizontal and vertical we will add. Horizontal, so this both are horizontal and these both vertical. Okay, now let us add symmetry also. Symmetry, similarly here. Okay, so this is passing through the center, so we can give vertical constraint with this center point and this center point. Okay, similarly horizontal with this. One 125, 50, 50. So 2 dimensions. So dimension, this is 125. This is 50. Okay, I think most of the entire whole features are completed. So remaining things, okay, if we want, we can make these things also. 4 holes, dia 40 H7. Okay, we will do it later. Okay, after making the fillet it will be very easy. Now the thickness is 35, so this thickness is 35. Let us extrude, finish sketch, extrude, so this is 35. Now we can add the fillet. So some small fillet is there everywhere. The value is not given, so it is not important. So R10 is given here. Any information is available about the fillet? Okay, we'll give R5. So fillet, select all the edges, required edges. Okay, just that is not very important. We will give R5. Next, here we have to make a fillet. So that value we have to find out from here. So okay, this counter bore, what is the spot face? Die 51. So we will give a radius of 25. So fillet this one, these two edges we will give 25. Now let us make a hole. So here 4 holes. Die 40 H7. So we will draw that on the opposite side. Opposite side we will make. Okay, let us rotate this. So let's draw a circle. So equal diameter is 40 H7. Also we will give this dimension is not important, it is not mentioned here, so we will give same 25, same value 25 from both the edges. So before that we will make horizontal. Okay, then vertical also this we will make. Okay, then from here to here it is 25. Finish sketch. Now extrude. So this extend all, then okay. So I think we will make the spot face also. So spot face die 51 into 3, that is on the bottom side. So here, go here, create sketch. So draw circles. So simply draw circles. So let's say equal finish sketch, then extrude. -3. If required we will edit any of the dimension if it is because okay, that we will find out later. This here also we have to add a fillet, so let us add fillet. 25. Now okay, I think this is not 25, some other dimension it is. Okay, let us find out later. So now we'll draw this shape. So how much is the distance? 120 mm away from the center, so 60. So let us offset a plane, construct offset plane. So this 60, give 60 minus 60. Okay, 60, we will make 60. Then on this plane we'll create sketch. So let us draw the shape. Okay, just simply draw this shape. I think the shape something look like this. So here one is vertical, another one is at an angle. So this one is vertical. Now we will give coincident. So this coincident. So from here it is 60 and 30. Sorry, this is not coincident here. Okay, so let's give the dimension. This is 60. This is 30. Now let us make coincident this. Okay, otherwise we will give horizontal. So 60. So here 25. So we can give from here to this edge as 25, and the height we have to find out. Total height is okay, from the bottom it is 94. So this from here to this center it is 94. I think let us make the hole also here. That 25H7. So this is die 25. So this we can extrude 40 mm height, then mirror it. Finish sketch, extrude 40, then OK. So this circle is at the middle of this, so let us edit this. So this circle here, the sketch, So this is, instead of 25, it's 30. So this is how much? 25 plus 35. Plus say 30. So this is 30. Finish sketch. Now here if you look at here, this particular portion, here we have 5 mm 5 mm extrusion is there. From the center it is 30. So select this face, create sketch. So directly I am going to project this. Press P, select this face, then OK, then draw a line. OK, then give the dimension from this center point to here, this as 30. Now let us give coincident. So this, OK, finish sketch, then extrude this 5 mm. What happened here? It's not new body, join. Okay. So now we can mirror this feature. Create, mirror. So features, both the features, this extrude, then mirror plane, select the mid plane, then OK. So I think here this fillet okay, let us find out later. Okay, this is over. Now here this particular portion we have to find out. So this distance is 30 mm away from the center. So 15, we will offset a plane, construct offset plane. So from here 15, and on this plane create sketch. So let us draw a rectangle, then check the sketch. So the height is the height 47 from the base. So let us give the dimension. This is 47. So this I am giving horizontal. Then 45. So this is 45. Then this edge here, some chamfer is there. Okay, now we have to find out from the center. It is 227, so there is a distance 227, so we will make that. So create a center point. Okay, then from this this point to this point, it is 227. I think we can make the draw the hole also. So 2 holes, 20 h7. So let us draw. So this diameter is 20. Then let us give vertical 21 from the top. Okay, so we can finish sketch. So now what is the thickness? 35. Extrude. So it's 35. Okay. Now here again there is a small extrude portion. Three mm. What is the distance? Distance from there 42. So on this face, create sketch. So press P for project. Okay. Then draw a line. And this is 42. Finish sketch. Then 3. Extrude. Here 3. Now we can add chamfer also everywhere except this end portion here. Modify chamfer here. So let's give 3 and see. Five, I think 6, 7, 8. So we will give this 2 distances. One is 7 and the other side is 3. 4, 5. Okay. So let me edit this. So 7.5. Okay, something like this. Now we can add fillet on these 2 edges. So same 5 mm fillet we will give both edges 5. Now we can mirror it. Create mirror. So features this extrude. Okay, first we will start from here. This extrude, second extrude, this chamfer, this fillet. Okay, then mirror plane is this, then okay. Oh, okay, let me select only this extrude. Okay, let me do once again. Create mirror features. So this extrude. So start this extrude and both this extrude, then mirror plane, this mirror plane, then okay. Why? Okay. Okay, let me add the other two features also. Edit feature, then go to press Control, then okay. Okay, so it is added. Now so here we forgot to add the spot face 26 into 3 here 4 places. That after adding that, I think this particular body is completed. Dia 26 into 3. So go here, create sketch, okay, let us add circles. Then equal, this is dia 26. Finish sketch, then extrude, so -3. Okay, I think so if there is any fillet, let me check that also. We will make R10 fillet is there, so that we will add the R10 fillet. So fillet, this is 10. Okay, I think everything is completed. Then next we will make this portion. Okay, so I think it is better to start using the front view. This way we will add. Okay, so add a new component And what is the name of that? Leaf plate. Leaf plate. Then once again we will select the XZ plane, create a sketch. So now we can if you have the understanding, this everything will be coming and coinciding with these circles here. So we can project this. Press P. If you know how the leaf jig works, you can automatically press P and you can make the assembly here. Okay. So this is the dia 25, and this diameter is 56. So let us draw a circle. So let's draw a circle of diameter 56. So just to draw this 56. Then I think we will draw this till to the end here. Okay. So how much is that? So we have to maintain the dimension using 93 and 325. Okay, we'll use 93 from this hole. So how to do that? Okay, we know from here to this center is 50 or 100, right? 100. So 100 plus 93, 193. Okay, so 193. Okay, so we will draw a line. Let's draw a line. Okay, draw in this way. This is 20. This is 20. Then we will give coincident. This is coincident with this. Okay, we will add a tangent also. Let us coincide here also. Okay, I think we will trim this portion. This is not required now. Now we have to ensure the other dimension. So so this is from here how much? From, okay, it is given 470 from the extreme edge here. So we can give directly how much? 470. So select this, then bring here, right click, pick circle arc tangent. This is 470. Okay, that's it. Now we can extrude. I think we will extrude 120, then we will do the remaining portion. 120, finish sketch, extrude. So this symmetric, this whole length is 120. Okay. Now we will select this face, create sketch. So just press P and select this face, then OK. Now draw a line. Draw a line, find out the dimension. So how much is this? 35. How much will be this? $7.5. Okay, we will use the curvature for okay, we will give some dimension. So let's give 30, then coincident. Finish sketch, then extrude. This is 7.5. Then we can mirror it. I think this. Okay, create mirror. So this last extrude, then mirror plane, center plane, then OK. Now we will add the angular cut 143.98. So on this face, create sketch. So just to draw a line, select the line, press X. So 143. So it's 143, and this is 49 or 98 divided by 2. Finish sketch, extrude, all, then OK. Then we will mirror it, create mirror. So this feature, mirror plane, this is the mirror plane, then OK. Now we have to make all these 4 holes. So let us quickly make all the 4 holes. So the hole diameter is die 25 H7. Create sketch. So okay, I think we will on the component. So So this body I'm going to off for a while. Okay, I think so that we can press P and project. Press P. So this is the easy way to get referenced with the existing. Then OK. So now let us draw circles. So let me give equal. Okay, I think I will make this as construction X. Now we can give the dimension. This is 25. Okay, finish sketch. Okay, I could have added one more hole. Okay, we will make that hole also in one step. Okay, otherwise we'll do in another next step. Okay, then change the direction, then here extend all, then OK. Okay, now on this face one more time we will create a hole. So let's say horizontal, and what is the dimension? So from here 60 and the diameter is 40. So press P. Okay, and from here it is 60 and the diameter is 40. Finish sketch, extrude, extend all, then OK. Now here another, this slot also we have to make 22. Create sketch. So let us draw in this way. So this diameter is 22. Let us give horizontal and one more dimension, 325 from this hole. Okay, so we will do in the same way. Press P, select this hole, then OK. Then from this center point to this midpoint it is 325. Okay, I think we will coincide this also. Coincide, it's not important. Finish sketch, extrude. So this particular portion, all, then OK. So apart from that, here there is another extra projection is there, 44, that we will add. So rotate this, select this face, create sketch, then draw a line, okay. Then this is 44. Then let me project this, press P. So one by one we will project this edge here. Then OK. Now horizontal. Okay, we will draw a line to close this. Here also one more line. Then I want to trim. Finish sketch 20. So extrude, here it is 20. So here 5 mm fillet also we will give. Fillet 5. So remaining things we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.